Alright, here's how I'm doing my Grand Highlander. Think work, got it on Amazon. Comes with all this stuff. So we've got this for the vents. Meh, it's alright, I guess. I'll probably take these little socks off of here and do it better. But you try and put it in here. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Let me know. But you can't really get into these spaces behind that. Oh, maybe you can. Yeah, okay. I lied. You can. A couple of, actually there's like 5 brushes with little spaces, I don't know, around here, etc. This was, I used this for the top right here. Works good. This is kind of nifty. This here. Well, I'm not actually doing it, but a little bit of cleaner would be nice, or windshield stuff. Bunch of hats for that, and microfiber cloth. Actually, I keep this in the door because I have so much dust. I mean, look at that crap. I haven't done it yet. Oh yeah, you can get one of these little things, but those are like 10 cents. So the other thing I use is my lint roller. You can get 5 of them on Amazon for like 12 bucks. So I don't generally use cleaning wipes because they leave streaks. So anyhow, that's the the shrink it and pink it. Yep. Oh, forgot the most important one. Remember when you were a kid and you had slime? That's pretty much what this stuff is. It's moderately disgusting, but effective. It's gooey. Disgusting. But let's see if I can get it out and use it. Yeah. And you just stick it in corners. Yeah, corners. Yeah. Yeah, now it's all stuck in there. So eventually you throw this away. But it's it's completely ridiculous stuff. But, you know, if you want to have a little fun. Anyway, there you go. That's the fun part. Have fun cleaning.